Hey, Crunchified Clean friends, here is an organizing and decluttering tip. Now, when working on a bathroom closet, it is different than a clothing closet because it's not like you're going to be donating medicine or used makeup. You don't really need a donation pile. You basically need a keep pile and a trash pile. And you start from the top. I take everything out of the closet from the top all the way down to the bottom. Then I spray the shelves with my thieves cleaner or whatever all-purpose cleaner you like. Spray the disinfectant as well to get the shelves all disinfected. And then comes the fun part. At least I think it's fun. It's sorting. Sorting medicines together, grouping liked items together, makeup, hair care, skin care, medicine, and then use bins and baskets. You can find some great bins and baskets at the dollar store, at Five Below, at Target, on Amazon, whatever you like. If you want it to match a certain color or look a certain style. And check out my Amazon shop. I'll put the link down below. I have lots of cool organizing bins that you can get. The key is keeping like items together and organizing it and sorting it and putting it back in. And now it's nice and crunchified, clean, and organized.